Hello YouTube and welcome to a short new Techsloth video. I've got something new here and it's my first review unit from HTC. This is not the normal HTC U11, no, this is the HTC U11 Live. And of course this is a press sample and I think they just took the box of the U11 because on the back side we don't get any informations, only that is written by hand U11 L for life, and it's a blue version made in Taiwan. Nothing more is on the box, so this is not really a representative unboxing of the original selling box, but we are interested in the device. So there we go. Ooh, this is light. The HTC U11 Live is a 5.2 device, and let's check out the bluish color. Ooh, and look at those nice scratches and fingerprints of the guy who got the device before me. But let's check out what else is in the box. We get an HTC charger, normal USB port, and this comes with, oh, there we go. This is, yes, 5 volt 2 ampere, so we got a 10 watt charger. We get a USB to USB type C cable, also in black, so charger black, cable black, and we see no papers, no instructions, no manual. We get different earpieces for the headphone. We get the SIM card opening tool, just duct tape to the bottom of the box. And we get our in-ears, which are already used and don't look nice. So no, this is definitely something I definitely will not put into my ears. Maybe, oh, I just take the other ear thingies. I guess this is medium, then we got small and a large earpiece. So I will try them out, but with a different earpiece. So we got USB type C and first of all, let's clean this device a little bit. And whoa, blue is a nice color. I bought myself the HTC U11 in Magic Silver this year, which was also a stunning color. But this blue here of the U Live also looks great. This is something I really like. But keep in mind, this feels plastically. The feeling of the device in your hand is definitely a plastic-like feeling. You can hear it sounds a little bit hollow. It's light, and yes, you can think that you got a plastic device in your hand. So let's take our quick tour around the device. We got our on-off button. Let's just push it so that the device can already boot. We got a vibrating thingy here. And ooh, the most important thing about the HTC U11 Live, U11 Live, is that it's an Android One device. So we got vanilla Android here, we got directly updates from Google. So we get over the next at least 2 years, we get all our software updates, our Android updates. This is nice. But on off button, yes, I can reach with ease. Volume down, I can reach as well. Volume up with my right thumb, yes, I can reach that. If I operate the device with my left hand, I can reach the on-off button, yes. Volume down, yes. And I have to stretch to reach the volume up button, but it's still okay. So you can feel this is a 5.2 inch device, but still there's a lot of frame breaths around the display. Let's check the device out on top. We got microphone and our SIM card slot here. And this is just a single SIM device for your guidance, but there's also a micro SD card slot. On the left side, we see nothing. And down here, now it comes, microphone, maybe another microphone, but I'm not sure. Oh yes, I'm touching the screen. This is not the USB-C port. This is the speaker. This is the USB-C port. And yes, you're looking correctly. The USB-C port is not located in the middle of the device. So this is something my inner monk is going crazy. This is on the right side and I don't like it yet already. I don't like it. But this is the one thing I don't like. And if you have counted, there we got our 4 sides and there is no USB, no headphone jack, only USB Type-C. This is the reason that they got a USB Type-C headphone bundled with the device, and I didn't see an adapter, but okay, maybe in the selling version there's an adapter in the box, but not in the press kit. On the back side, we got our LED and we've got our camera standing out. And yes, you can see it a little bit. So the surrounding of around the border surrounding the camera are protecting the lens a little bit, maybe 0.5 millimeter. But what I wanted to tell you is that the whole device is again slightly curved. So if I place this on the table, it will wobble here and there if I hit the corners. Yes, definitely. But operating here just for normal typing, the device is laying in front of you on your desk and you're swiping up, or you just hit let's go. It won't move, for example. Or if you're operating the below the screen buttons, because there are no on-screen buttons, we got our fingerprint sensor and our home button in the middle, illuminated back and app switch button below the screen, which I like. Again, speaker and our front-facing camera, and that's it. So first impression. Oh, and we got this edge sense. We can push the device again if you're a friend of that. So first impression, it's again a little bit plastically. Nice design, nice color, but I don't like the feeling because the feeling is too cheap. Oh, and price. This device costs 350 euros. In the version with a Snapdragon 630, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. There is also a version with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage for only 30 euros more, so for 280 euros. But this is a version you can at the moment only buy directly at HTC. I don't know why that is. So, but again, first impression is okay. As design is okay. If I get now maybe boom sound out of the device. Oh, and it's IP67 certified, so this is great again. If I get out here great sound and good pictures quality, and I have a fast running system, which I'm looking forward to, then yes, maybe I can overlook the plastic feeling, but I can't overlook the price. 350 euros in a price range where other devices like the Moto G5 or G5S or G5S Plus series, the Honor 6X or even the Honor 7X and the Xiaomi A1, which is also an Android One device, of course, a lot of them operate with the Snapdragon 625, but they got 4 GB of RAM, so they're still at least 50 to 100 euros cheaper than the HTC U11 Live. But I expect the camera quality being here better. But on the other hand, those devices all come with dual SIM, micro SD, and even a headphone jack. But this is it. This is just the unboxing, and I am really looking forward to compare this device and of course test it out. This is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.